is not only to make the children work, it's only to make the children grow as a person. So this exoskeleton is the first in the world that the children can move all around, working for the hospital and at home also, so they can develop as a person.
And it's not only children who are going to be benefiting from this technology and moved on to more specific devices, as the one we're seeing being trialled here today. Tell me a little bit about that one.
We have this technology, is the most advanced in the world, making the knee as a flexible joint, so we can understand the different ground we are working on, and that's we use that technology to use patients after stroke, for example, so they can't walk because they don't have movement in the knee, for example, and this artificial joint can help them to make this step as in a natural movement. So we can help them to recover the capacity to walk.
So this will be used not only for rehabilitative efforts to help someone after an injury or something that's limited their movement, but also in later life, perhaps if someone is losing full range of movement for their knee, for example.
Yeah, the idea is to help the people at home, not only at hospitals, so they can do an activity for every day, a plenty activity, so they can go to supermarket or maybe to go out, and that's the idea.
Well, I was like Bambi on ice to start with, very new to get used to. I've done lots of rehab to get back to walking, and I've been walking for on and off for 6 years, having learned to walk with the JHA. Now to come down and to Midtown Clinic, it's been fantastic to try this innovative new bionic equipment. Eventually I got the hang of it. Eventually the technicians got their act together, and I was able to walk.
I feel comfortable to push a lead, John.
Yeah. The idea is we are using artificial intelligence, so the device is receiving information about how the patient is working. I mean how the step is and is learning in every step. So we can support patient to finish the movement if they can't do it. So the idea is to adapt to the movement of the patient, and we can complete this movement by robotics automatically. So no matter the patient is working, the robotic is going to adapt to the patient and help them to complete. Both insoles receive information how the patient is making pressure in the ground, and automatically the device is learning how they do it, and transport that information in the movement pattern, so we can complete the working pattern of the patient depending on the step, the velocity, and the pressure they are doing in the ground.